Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the NSS Charger 2022 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance and help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace the 4-amp fuse housing. Now whenever you're working with the electronics of the unit, you always want to unplug the battery pack from the machine first. Now what you're going to do is you're going to remove the back panel and unplug your battery meter from it. Now what we can do is take the leads off of the 4-amp fuse housing. Just like that. And now there is a nut right here that we have to remove. And that comes out just like that. And then your housing slides out of the machine. Okay, with the housing out, if you don't need to replace the housing and you just need to replace the 4-amp fuse because it's blown, super simple. Just take it, press it, and turn it. Your fuse pops out like that. Replace the 4-amp fuse. Make sure you line it up correctly. Twist lock it back into place. Now, take your new housing, slide that back in, replace the nut, tighten that nut back down. Now we're going to take your leads and plug your leads back in. Just like that. Now the last thing you want to do is you want to take your back panel, plug your battery meter back in, put your back panel back on the machine, and then plug your battery pack back into the machine. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.